So I've found this lovely little spot away from everyone, away from the world. It's just me and nature, and it's such a beautiful feeling to just really feel one with nature, connect with nature, and just be here listening to the birds, listening to the sounds and the waves of the water, feeling that amazing sunshine upon my skin, feeling the breeze as well, the slight breeze, and the sheep. But away from any other people, away from civilization. Even my phone doesn't have reception. I am just using it this way because most of the times it doesn't have reception here. Obviously there's no Wi-Fi, and that sheep came to see what I'm doing. But it's just wonderful, and look at these amazing clouds. It's like there's been these feather clouds and amazing clouds in the sky, above me all this time, and it's just beautiful. And just the peace and quiet is wonderful. It's wonderful to just be here and just take it all in. And the sunshine is really making a huge difference. It's just making it all even more beautiful. Honestly, I just feel so at peace and just so happy inside. There's this happiness that has just overcome me, and this peace that has just overcome me, and it's such a lovely feeling. So I just wanted to do a little video and share that. Just share how peaceful it is here. Just gonna sit here for a while, take it all in, and enjoy it.